Most men think compliments create attraction. They don't, at least not the way most guys use them, because the truth is, the average compliment dies the second it leaves your mouth. She's beautiful. Her eyes are nice. She has a cute smile. She's heard it all before from strangers, from exes, from guys in her DMs, from men who never stood out. And that's exactly why most men stay forgettable. But there's a different kind of compliment, one that doesn't just make her smile for a second, it makes her feel something in her chest. It lingers in her thoughts, it replays in her mind when she's alone later that night. That's the difference between surface praise and psychological attraction. Because the right words don't just flatter a woman, they make her emotionally invest in you. And in this video, I'm going to break down 3 forbidden compliments that hit a woman on a level most men never reach. Not because they're dirty, not because they're explicit, but because they make her feel seen, challenged, and deeply curious. And once that happens, she starts thinking about you long after the conversation ends. So stay with me until number 3, because that one flips the power dynamic completely. And if you're serious about mastering female psychology and becoming the kind of man women naturally obsess over, make sure you subscribe to the Love Blueprint right now. Because this channel is built to help men stop guessing and start understanding what really creates attraction. Let's begin. 1. There's something about you I can't quite figure out. This is where most men lose the game. They compliment what's obvious. But attraction doesn't grow from obvious. It grows from mystery. The moment you tell a woman, there's something about you I can't quite figure out, you create a psychological loop in her mind. Now she's wondering, what does he see? What is it about me? Why am I affecting him differently? And that curiosity is powerful because now she's no longer just receiving validation. She's trying to earn deeper meaning from you. That's the real secret. You're not telling her what makes her special. You're making her discover it through your eyes. That's emotional tension. That's mental intrigue. That's what keeps a woman replaying your words hours later. Say it after she does something unexpected. Maybe she says something unusually deep. Maybe she smiles in a way that feels different. Maybe her energy shifts. Pause. Look at her like you're genuinely trying to decode her. Then say it slowly. You know there's something about you I still can't figure out. Then stop. Don't explain. Let silence do the heavy lifting. The more mystery you leave behind, the more she fills the gap with thoughts about you. That's how attraction becomes obsession. 2. I feel like there's a side of you most people never get to see. This one hits deeper because every woman has a version of herself the world never fully understands. The polished version, the social version, the version she shows everyone. But deep down, she wants one man to notice the part beneath that. The hidden softness, the unfiltered laugh, the side she only reveals when she feels safe. So when you say, I feel like there's a side of you most people never get to see, you instantly separate yourself from every other man because now you're not complimenting her beauty. You're complimenting her depth. That changes everything. Now she starts feeling like you see more than the surface. And once a woman believes you understand something deeper about her, she naturally wants to reveal more. That's when she starts opening up. That's when she begins investing emotionally. Use this after she tells you something personal. Maybe she shares a memory. Maybe she drops her guard and laughs naturally. Maybe she says something vulnerable. That's your moment. Pause. Slight smirk. Then say, I don't think most people get to see this version of you. That line makes her feel rare. And when a woman feels rare in your presence, she remembers you. This is exactly how emotional attachment begins. And by the way, if this kind of psychological insight is helping you already, hit like and subscribe to the Love Blueprint, because every video here is designed to make you the man women can't stop thinking about. 3. I can't decide if you're trouble or exactly what I need. This is the strongest one because now you introduce desire plus danger plus uncertainty. 3 emotions women naturally respond to. Most guys compliment in a way that hands her all the power. But this line flips the frame. Now she's the one wondering what she means to you. The moment you say, I can't decide if you're trouble or exactly what I need, you create playful emotional tension. She feels exciting. She feels powerful. She feels unpredictable. And most importantly, she wants to know which one she is. That's the hook. Now she's mentally leaning toward you. Use this when the vibe already has flirtation. Maybe she teases you, challenges you, says something bold. Lean in slightly, half smile, lower your voice, then say it slowly. You know what's dangerous? I can't decide if you're trouble or exactly what I need right now. That line lands because it combines attraction with challenge. It says, I'm interested. I'm not easy. You affect me differently. That push-pull tension is addictive. And when a woman feels like she might be dangerous for you, she often wants to prove just how deeply she can get into your mind. That's where obsession starts. Most men use compliments that end conversations, but the right compliment starts a conversation inside her mind. That's the difference. These 3 forbidden compliments work because they create mystery, emotional curiosity, tension, deeper psychological investment. They make her feel more than pretty. They make her feel understood, rare, and emotionally activated. And once a woman starts thinking about what you meant when you're not even around anymore, that's when attraction becomes real. So tell me in the comments, which one of these 3 compliments would you use first? And if you want to master the deeper psychology of attraction, relationships, and female desire, subscribe to the Love Blueprint and turn on notifications because the next video might completely change the way women respond to you. See you in the next